Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add affiliate links to Shopify products. Let's get started. So for example, first head over to our products. And then here we have a product that I want to add an affiliate link into. So for example, I just need to look for this specific t-shirt on the application or the site that I am an affiliate with. So it can be an affiliate at Amazon or also on AliExpress. So for example, you head over to Amazon, and then in here, let's head over and then search for t-shirts. So you can head over and then search for the t-shirt that you want to affiliate with. So for example, let's just choose this t-shirt that we have right here. So let me just click on that. And if you're an affiliate, you will have a custom link available to you. So you see to get that link. So for example, just head over and then get that link for you. And once you have that link, you should be able to add this on your actual Shopify store. Like for example, for me, since I don't have an affiliate link, I'll just copy the link above. And then for this, I just need to shorten it by putting or using a bit.ly, which is a shortening app. So just click on this bit.ly right here. And then let's head over and can get sorted for free right here. Or you can also just use another product of this or similar to bit.ly. So we can just padding her a longer L, and then you can enter in your back half. So for example, let's put in your example t-shirt 101, and then you will have your link that you will look like this. So another option that you can do is you can also use tiny URL. So for example, let's use tiny URL for this one, since this actually absolutely free and you don't need to sign up or anything else. So let's just head over and then just use this tiny URL right here. And then from in there, as you can see, this will load like this. So we just need to wait for this to finish. Then let's close this one. Let's put in here the long link. Let's put in here example feature 101. Then shorten the URL. Once it's been shortened, you can actually head over and copy that, and then just paste it right here on your product description. Get this here, then paste it right here. After you have done that, you can also head over and use to put in here a link. For example, you can use this utilize link right here. Once you have done that, click on save, and it's been saved right now. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so believe rock below or subscribe it for plus much more people. So let's see.